Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I don't know say over here so I wanna get the wickedest story time them. So tonight's guest is TT and Tony. I want to check out them YouTube page. That is TNT. Manville Police Station. How may I help?
Police station. This is the hospital and now Manville Police Station.
Excuse me? No, this is Mandeville Fire Brigade.
Manville Police Station. Now it's Manville Fire Brigade.
Excuse me, Lynn's Paulo. How may I help?
Something we forgot to do.
Top Queen's here.
You know what that is?
Oh.
I just need one.
I feel deep Anyways, guys, I am extremely sorry about that. So what I was saying though is, welcome back to my channel. Tonight's guests are TT and Tony. You guys need to check out their YouTube channel, subscribe and give them some support. I'm gonna put the link to their description in the video. I'm also gonna put the screenshot of their page in the early start of the video so you guys can see what their page looks like to find them. Anyways, tonight's story time is gonna be all on them. I'm gonna be asking them questions to run through, but I'm gonna let them tell their story and then we're gonna fast. Yeah, people, we are fasting at them business. So in that story time tonight, we're gonna ask them one simple question, just one question alone, and them are gonna answer it. And it is, how was y'all first time in detail? Them are gonna tell me how it got, how they got on. Okay, yeah, people. So, Lord Jesus, there's a ton for that one, yeah. Yeah, I don't know what's gonna come out to story time. A story time. So, Tony,
Yeah.
how was it?
It was a marvelous time with her, you know.
Yeah.
So,
Tell me where we go.
I
Tell me
know
where we
say,
go.
meet up in our high school days, you see, pray. And then I start talk after we make a one page on the block one day and check out she and her friend them.
So wait, who did like who first? Wait, go.
Well, we did like her first, you see, pray.
Yeah. See,
Cause-
nice like an Indian and
Yeah.
skin catch up
Indian with the
so,
short curls, you know,
Jesus.
me love the vibes, you
Yeah,
see, pray.
yeah.
So, the on the grade level block, I go over next class and I see Indian with the short curls and I say, yeah. But you know, when I get to be them with this, I say, I'm going to talk to her and just pull a little bit closer to the Indian. I say, pray, my bad charge, big up Andre, I say, pray.
Oh, it's a guy make you meet the Indian.
No, the two of them they are roll, I will just circle the block, you see, pray. Because we always about the girl on, but, see, pray,
Yeah.
fall in love, circle on with me Indian, I say, pray.
What you say?
So, we go in on the block and start talk to the Indian. They talk to the Indian and they come and make Indian say, oh, no, say, oh, I want to take a cab with them and Indian take a cab and she and her friend them want me a bad charge and I talk to she, bad charge I talk to the next friend and see, pray. What did they talk? Now I put in little lyrics like sugar and sugar and water, you see me?
Oh, you say?
Yeah, just so.
Yeah.
Sugar and start take over Indian body told me I talk sweet, you see me?
And what you say?
Get the Indian number all night, them start text her, start comfort her and all these things.
Jesus.
You know the strips.
So wait, one question. You tell the Indian fan her man or what?
What? Me have to grab her out her roughly, you know, between she and her man. So me just take her and go on, you see, pray.
Yeah.
Because they don't say if you not nail it, they zinc, but it off like over in the
Right
house and she
off,
come
right
like
off.
that, my
Hurricane
heart.
come just yeah.
Same so.
Right off, not ask Christ.
So I said, I'm going to go from talk to Indian and did it for a while and I take some way of communicate and analyze, you see it? I have one plan and I say, you know, say, don't I go one talk for body and thing and I go need it from your man, you see it? Go and get little lyrics and thing and show him realness and show I say it's a relationship want at a game, you see me? Because I don't do the Xbox days, you see it? Start talk to her now. get into details and get to know each other just a little bit more than the norm, you see me? Till it's just unfortunate that while me coming at the picture, our boyfriend a flip around with the love, you see me?
Oh, so you never act right?
Yeah.
So the time they just right.
So I was just right there now to patch it hard with a nice band-aid.
Right on time.
And bring it to my side now.
You see?
And make it heal up, you see me?
Alright, owner.
Yeah. So me just tell her bring it over to the owner.
Yeah.
Yeah. So me and her get to start out now until one day. We link up on her birthday. My boyfriend will shake you like 3 leaves, you see me? Link up on the birthday.
Not my bad, this hat. Come
Knock
on, yeah,
your
girl.
back.
Yeah, not my bad, not my bad. Continue. We stop
Yeah.
show.
So we link up on her
You want them
birthday.
something, yeah. Yeah.
And her boyfriend up on the town, but really and truly, mom say mom will shake it, so me she really want. She want it generally, see me? Yeah. And we up on the block I go and chill back at Grove Court, does he pray? Man, that's how we make our first kiss to the same day upon our birthday, you see me? Yeah.
I was there.
What you say?
Nice, not so. Just so.
Same so. Yeah. So after me and the Indian, we upon the block and I chill and we are talk and I go on all a nice wedding upon her birthday after me get her a nice necklace and all these things.
Oh,
See me,
that's
I
so
say,
cute.
and she love the necklace. I don't know still every day we upgrade the ring and all these things. Because we not stay in one thing too long. You see, pray? Yeah. Buy the Indian a nice necklace. Me not even make she see it and buy it. Me just they are chill upon the block and just surprise it and put her in the neck. So romantic. You
Oh,
see
that's
me?
so cute.
Yeah. Surprise
That's nice.
her. She like it off and things, so but then we are chill back from there. We have a first
Now,
kiss
cut you,
on
but
spot.
just saying, guys, a pointer. Not every woman is gonna come to you and be like, oh, buy me this, buy me that. Because you have women with an independent mindset and they're not gonna ask for things that they need. But at the end of the day, you have to be man enough to spoil your woman.
True.
Because you have some women, they're spenoholics. You might know that word here, but let's just put it like this. Everything them see, my man feel wear that. Everything them see, my man feel have that. So them buy. And sometimes them, like, they just want to feel appreciated. You understand? So gifts are always a good gesture for starting into a relationship.
Yeah.
Continue. You buy the
And-
necklace.
Buy a necklace and move it around her neck and she and her one of our best friend or ex-best friend should say was chilling.
I think
And-
one. Good girl go sir.
Yes. So but before me all jump the store with their KFC and we eat nice food and all these things, chicken leg, you see me?
Oh yeah, say?
And hot and spicy. All of them good things are from KFC.
No breast.
Move back to Grove Court now, we did that chill back. Put the necklace around her neck and thing and start looking at one another eyes.
Jesus, let
and
me get tipsy.
when I looking at her, I just see my future just show me what's gonna happen and I say, yeah. And we did it.
Somebody give me
And
piece
it's
of
just
white.
like, you know, when there's a magnetic feeling between you guys and just put in the clothes and we just have a nice romantic kiss and we
Oh,
just
God.
take it from right there. Yeah, man, I see him, so me do it. And we have our first kiss and you know, our boyfriend did big scars. I say, you know, the woman right the next man, I do it because if you know, for me, bring me, I go for me, feel not true. See him,
So him be push war vibes.
Eh? Well, him charge him there, pray, but you don't know me no response, because I don't look a man, you see me, I look a man, girl, you see, pray.
At the end of the day,
Just so.
it was a good move because you
Yeah.
guys are together over years now. I
See him, so.
collected. So yeah, guys. Sometimes you have to push forward for where you want. So TT, tell you how you feel. We know why you send out your talk.
Yeah.
Talk, with y'all.
Alright, we're gonna pick up from there.
Yeah, talk.
So after that, no,
Yeah.
that's in like February. So we meeting boy in our last quarter, January this one. Birthday come and everything will be there. And then April come, that's the first.
Oh,
time.
me not cut you, but one more thing, ladies. Me not care who want vex after me say this. You don't even have to watch back my challenge. Cause me, what is the name again? Channel. Cause me not really business. Me not believe safe to sit down in a one we call it now a courtship. And not like, you see, for me intimacy is big. And I'm not gonna date you for 3 months or more, like you so much, and not try to have sex. Not me. Not do it. Cause guess what? If we have sex after 3 months, you can't do it, it's goodbye. I mean, I feel like I'm supposed to sit down and waste so much time.
Straight
You
up.
understand? So that's just me. I don't know about nobody else. You understand? Me have to test the waters, and if it's not right, you have to go on.
Straight up.
I just some mistake. Some people just useless. All right, continue.
Yeah. So April coming now when a sports at the sports day. No, the day before. Run a sports day time.
I
but
feel a story me
anyway.
can't tell you.
Anyways, so
Mhm.
it take me 1 month or so, almost 2 months before.
Call it 2 months, yeah?
Yeah, 2 months a little bit before we, you know,
Make you thirsty.
because you know me stare there. Make sure I make you know before whatever.
Wait,
But
actually, you have
anyway.
boyfriend. If you never have no boyfriend, if you man, go to maybe.
Tell her again.
Actually, you have boyfriend. That's too funny.
Anyways,
You like why you like why?
I know
Let's
it's
say,
a
you're
rather
so money,
sharp
no matter what they look,
shooter.
you know. And give your money and sit there and I give them your friend thing.
Sure.
You don't want them. You know what they have. So little man as they come, boy, they just get up your foot.
Them have a
Everything hot.
buds. Them have a
Everything
buds.
wet up.
Yeah.
You can't say no. Continue good as
Sure.
they are good. Continue. Sports day now.
yeah. So
Yeah.
the first time we go up our house, we go meet him mommy first.
You meet him man before
I
anything?
mean, you know, man, a
Yeah.
top shot, we know I don't from our mother because we stay so. Say pray? Yeah.
So we meet him mommy first.
Okay. Somebody dead. Somebody dead. Continue. Yeah, continue.
Yeah, we did there, whatever. Then we go for the house.
Mhm.
And then there's the elder losing.
But let me put stick a little point there.
We say
First,
hello,
true,
hello,
on see it so before me trim my mouth and look. You see me, mama take me innocent and say me I just a little boy where I just full of talk and thing. You see me, but them say action speak louder than word. Not true?
We say prove yourself.
What you say?
You prove yourself, brother.
Straight up.
Hey, touch it now.
Straight
Hey, me
up.
like your carrier.
Straight up.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
Come on. What's your create your guard?
But God, I'm with myself.
Your guard.
Yes, man.
Yeah, but in one, sir. Alright. Good girl, go, sir.
So after I reach out there, everything now we did that chamber. Watch movie, both for 10 minutes or so. Then me seeing that room well read out, you know. Well read out and romantic and everything and nice music. put on
What mean in room red out?
Red sheet, red curtain, red everything.
Yeah.
I think you do that for her or you just like red?
I love red
You
overall.
love red overall.
Yeah.
So when I go in the room, I say a straight romance.
Yeah.
Oh, but you
Kinda
did have
nice
flowers and
music.
stuff.
No, they have a red curtain, red sheets. I'm having.
I don't get it.
I may have been-
Is it that you did that on purpose for her?
Yes.
Or you just like red?
But like red overall, but the design I did it personally for her. I
Okay,
made my
okay.
little duck and put it on my bed and all this shit.
How
I
are
got
you
all my
saying?
music played and all this shit. You know what I'm saying, guys?
Dog!
Yeah.
They don't even get the dog! Show the people that
Yeah.
Continue. I said don't come in and so.
Everything.
Any cry no.
Yeah.
Me don't love you to carry on. Go on again. Duck on the bed. What
Yeah.
else?
Yes, I did any put any nice little music on the laptop and thing.
Which song did I play?
Bad cranium.
In that play Cranium, in
Which
that
one?
play freaking song name again. We can't remember the song, you know.
The man, shit. Kinda high
In
right
that
now.
play I don't know.
Everything.
I hope
was-
anybody not know, you know.
No,
I bet
don't-
another song there,
I
you
don't
know.
want to say,
Okay.
But
When
I
them hear the song, you know.
can't remember the song, but
Yo,
one of the
yes,
top
it
cranium,
was.
them.
And
Why?
then, yes, I play some nice song and then from this and all you talk.
Me start season the meat and now. Then I say, oh, me start season meat and
See
me
that
feel-
cook too?
Eh? No, me there cookie meat down there so with my, you know, my
Oh,
pot.
you
Yes,
get
my
this.
fire.
To my seasoning.
Yes, just like that. I mean, I tell you, so yo, pot smell good and everything nice about the pot. That's what
Oh, God.
And I say, when I do something, but I'm the first time, it can't look so shaky, you know, I'm ready for no baby
Wait,
yet.
you were virgin?
No,
Okay.
yeah. Did I mean,
You're sure you're never a virgin, Anthony?
talk to
Trust
her.
me, he never did virgin.
Like, yeah, really can't. Like, excuse.
Yeah, I miss say how them
Sure.
all respectful like them. It's a small river, run silent river run deep. That's all. Yeah. So many of them just play me thing calm and nice. So that's
Lad, I
different.
need to make a phone
Yeah. Then so the reach and the bed is a total different story. Hell broke loose and Satan rise up. Yeah. Him could manage to eat in the bed cause problem did they.
We are saying run.
You see him so? And me tell her, I said before me and her even have this first touch, me and her make a bet. She tell me say first, she not gonna do certain things, meaning like she not gonna give me them sweet talk, them all of them nice name them.
Yeah.
And the first time
Oh, you
book
feel
her,
like you never ever say,
yeah,
oh Jesus!
and all of these things. The first time I book her in her bed, master, she tell me every single thing I want to hear.
God.
Be sure I say I'm me and the man.
Are you run
I know
things?
she, I'm
Are
here
you-
run things.
Sure. Are you, me not ask you that,
Yes.
are you run things?
Man, ask Christ.
Bright to bright.
See him, sir.
Bright to bright.
Yeah.
So the ear people, the
Yes,
people
sir.
them comfortable.
Yeah.
Really, really comfortable from the first time until now.
See him with.
So true love still out there.
Yes.
True.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys had a laugh. If you did have a laugh, tag somebody, share the link. Oh, subscribe to them channel. See it? We don't know what the thing go. Oh, and if you want more story time like this,
And just
featuring
comment
Anthony
below.
and TT, just comment more with Anthony and
Yep.
TT, and we'll make it happen for you guys. Bye.
Peace out.